Bwa, Bwaluigi from from Mario Rabbids Battle. That was really funny to me for some reason. I don't know why. Bwaluigi, it's hard to say. No idea what this is. This is requested by Manuel on Patreon. I'm telling you, video games these days are crazy. You got an upside down L. He looks like a rabbit. What? What is this? So, let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. Let's start with, yeah, just circles for his eyes, right? So we got like 2 circles. Pretty basic. Circles can be hard to draw even though they're simple shapes. So coins and compasses and stencils and stuff are regularly used by professional artists, so don't feel bad about using them. And then another circle here. It's kind of like down at an angle. It's like below the other one a little bit. Down there. And then he's kind of frowning pretty heavily, right? So we've got, well, it looks like he's frowning, but it's his eyelid, right? And then the eye has a black rim to it. Okay, I like that. And then his iris. Red iris. Are these bad guys or good guys? That's what I want to know. He looks like a bad guy, but then sometimes he's smiling and he looks okay. Right, the other one. That's there. And then dark bottom eyelid. Iris curves around. And then his pupil. In there. So he looks kind of goofy, but that's kind of the way he looks. So then, mouth. He's got this big pink lip coming across the top. And he's kind of grumpy looking. So the bottom lip curves up and down. You got a single tooth sticking up there, and then the bottom lip crossing down, and his mouth is kind of open in there. Is he like a duck or a rabbit or what? So, side of his head is just this white sort of thing here, and then he has a cap coming across his eyes like that, and then this has a rim and a top part curving across, and like the rim of it is like just like a line like that. The hat then curves around this way. Like so. And then the L, the upside down L. Like that. And that L is purple, but it's upside down. So it kind of looks like an R. I've got like a little sort of a rim line, edge line to that. His bunny ears stick up behind his head. Then we have a pink line and like a bit of an edge just here, just to make him look a bit three-dimensional. And then the other one. There, pink on the inside, and a bit of an edge, like that. So body, right? So shoulders, he's a real stumpy looking dude, come right down to his sleeves of his arm. No offense, Bwaluigi. Bumpy sleeve there. And then he's got suspenders, so they come down around here. just around the shoulder. And these go all the way back up to the top of his sort of neck, head area. And they have gold buttons. Like that. Does he have feet? What's the story with the guy's feet? No. It's just like his pants or something. Okay, so he's got a t-shirt, purple. Comes across here. It's got a little edge. And then his pants. Coming across here. And then the side of his body. Just kind of round there. And his legs are just these little stumpy things. And like his belly or something is here. And then we got like an edge line to that. What are his hands? His hands are just these white little, I think there's like a finger here maybe. And then there's some lines on his trousers or his pants here. And then that pipe, right? So goes all the way up to here. And then goes down behind his back. It's like he's trying to hide it or something. I have news for you, Bwaluigi. We can all see it. That's it. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the request, Emmanuel, over on Patreon. Anyone else? Head over to Patreon. You don't sign up forever. You could just $5, I think, is the one that gets like one request per month if you want to stay signed up. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.